Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Today, that is 9th of Jan, we are going to be discussing regarding the manual testing jobs. So, this is the first job opportunity here we are looking for. So, location would be permanent remote, immediate to 15 days, and they are giving 15 days notice period. So, this is the job description. So, 0 to 2 years of experience as manual tester, they are expecting, like freshers can be applicable here. So, freshers can also apply to this job. So this is the main job description here. They're expecting Jira and Balzilla tracking tools and good analytical and problem solving skills. Knowledge in agile methodologies is a plus, and excellent communication skills and attention to detail. And this is the LinkedIn link they have provided. You can send your resume to this link. So coming to next job opportunity, here the next job opportunities. So this is also would be a permanent remote, and it would be also a immediate joiner, and 40% of hike they are offering, and 0 to 2 years of experience they are expecting here, and freshers can also applicable for this job, so anyone can apply to this job. So if you are fresher, you can definitely you can apply to this job. This is the LinkedIn link they are given here, or you can directly follow. Yeah, you can directly follow him, and you can drop a note to him, like you can drop your resume to him. This is the job description. You can go through this job description and you can apply to this job. Here coming to the next job opportunity, like it would be a remote mode. It would be a remote mode, and they are looking for a tester lead consultant, and it would be a full time, and it is a night shift. So those who are interested for the night shift, they can apply to this job here. So these are the major responsibilities. These are the major skills they are expecting here, and they are also expecting performance and load testing. Conduct performance testing to ensure the system can handle the traffic and large volumes of data. So performance testers can also applicable for this job opportunity. So you can apply any manual tester or performance tester. You can apply to this job opportunity. So this is the person. So he is the point of contact. You can go through this Ragul Selvaraju. So you can follow him, and you can drop a note to him. Yeah, coming to next job opportunity regarding and manual testing and automation testing, they are offering the both manual testing and automation testing. So candidate must have like experience on root cause analysis, and so role would be manual tester. So it would be a mountain view and a hybrid mode of in. So location would be a mountain view, and high type would be contract full time, and duration would be 12 months and permanent mode. This is the job description here. They are given for like developing the test cases and automation scripts for core applications and new features, and ensure defect free release of the application, and review the customer requirements and documentation, test planning, and test scope, schedules, responsibilities, approach and reporting, etc. They are looking for. So these are all the major key roles and responsibilities they are offering it. So coming to the next job opportunities, like manual tester experience would be 1 to 3 years of experience they are expecting, and location would be Pune location, and face to face interview on 10th Jan, that is tomorrow itself, and mandatory skills are manual testing and database testing. So you can go through like this description. If you are near to Pune, so you can go to drive, or you can make a plan to face location to Pune itself if you are interested. So you can send your CV to this particular mail ID here, or you can apply, or you can join to her WhatsApp group. This is the link here. She has shared her WhatsApp group as well. So next we can go through the ServiceNow developer job. So this is the first job opportunity on ServiceNow developer. So experience would be, they are expecting 6 years of experience, and it would be a remote mode. And this is the job description here they are offering here. Sorry, this is the job description they are given for, and yeah, description is like they need the integration specialist. Yeah, coming to the next job opportunity. So this is the next job opportunity. Position would be intermediate application developer, and job location would be Bangalore and Chennai locations, and they are expecting 3 to 6 years of experience. The candidate should have minimum 3 to 6 years of experience here, and notice period would be a immediate joiner. Like if you are immediate joiner, you can the candidate is applicable for this job, and mode of employment would be contract mode. So these are the major requirements they are expecting from the candidate, like experience designing, developing and maintaining CMDB and monitoring CMDB health. So these are the major skills, and candidate should have hands-on experience on implementing and managing ServiceNow discovery and other discovery tools such as SCCM and Lens Viper, and experience configuring, managing service mapping and service graph. So candidate should have ITIL and certification as a plus. If you are interested and if you have met these required skills, you can directly send your resume to this particular mail ID. Yeah, coming to next job opportunities, like a senior ServiceNow senior ServiceNow developer. So like the job location would be Chicago. If you are looking for on-site job, this job is very applicable for that candidate. So job type would be a long-term job type, and visa also they are expecting H4 GC and citizens. So experience would be 9 years of experience candidate they are looking for. And please share your if you are interested for the job, please share your resume to this particular mail ID. And this is the job description they are given here. So you can go through this job description, and you can directly apply to this particular mail ID here. You can apply through to that mail ID. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.